And then we go down to delivery method. Now, you've got 3 networks that you can be visible on your YouTube ad. The number one is YouTube search. So that is this search box up here. When you type in a video, it will bring up your video. You've got YouTube videos, so within videos on YouTube. And then you've got video partners on the display network. So these are websites that are partnered up with Google that can display your videos in front of people. Google or YouTube's display partners, they will show your video and you can get your view that way. But I never opt for this. I always opt for people that are directly on YouTube right now. And not only that, but they also make sure that my views are more targeted. They're actual YouTube viewers. And the reason I want more YouTube viewers is so I get more subscribers, more engagement that way, because it tends to be the people who have an account that can actually engage with my video. Then we come down to location targeting. Now, location targeting we have already gone through. Now, just to go through it again, you can choose to target or exclude particular locations. So let's go United Kingdom, okay? And then we go to advanced search. Now, you saw this advanced search with Google AdWords, okay? So this gives you an ability to zoom in on a particular area and then you can choose locations within that area to target, okay? I chose a massive area, so it's not going to work. Radius targeting, you can target people within a certain radius of your chosen location. And then bulk locations is where you can add a load of different addresses, and then this will be used as your location targeting for your video. Okay, so you've got the advanced options in here. Now, what you haven't got is people who are interested in your target location. They naturally just go for people who are within the target location, so you don't need to worry about that. So you can choose all countries and territories. Now, if I am trying to do $1 YouTube ads, all countries and territories is normally the way to be able to get 1 cent or 1 penny views, because YouTube are just finding the cheapest people to get views from. And in some instances, that's all you need. If you want to be more targeted, let's say you want to go to the UK or United States, it possibly will become more expensive. Now, I personally have paid 0.01 per view to the UK to the US, and it can be done. But it all depends on the other settings. That you choose on your ad. So for this instance, I'm going to go for all countries and territories. But what you can do is you can include, let's say United Kingdom. But if you put, let's say London, then you can exclude London. Okay, so you can include and exclude locations, just like you could in Google AdWords. But I'm going to put all countries and territories. Languages, again, this is related to the language your customers speak. So I want it to be English in my instance, but for your product, if you are doing, let's say, Hindi or French or Spanish or another language, then you can choose it in here by going to edit and choosing the languages that you want to have your video shown to. And this is really good, again, for the relevance of your views. If you are targeting people, not necessarily just anybody, if you're targeting people for a particular language, this is the place to select that language.